This is a heart pizza that I made for Rizzy for lunch. It's still cooking, but she likes cheese just like in blotches. So yeah, and it has a lot of turkey pepperoni on it. So yeah. So it is done. I'm about to take it out. All right, we are ready to go and put the other one in. Nice and cool. So we're getting ready to cut her pizza. Trying to record and I can't see. Looking in the camera. Okay. Oh. There we go. I don't know how she wants them to just do it like this. And it's her lunch, and she's gonna eat some grapes and some OJ. It's her lunch for today. I'm gonna pop mine in there.